Hello guys, today we're playing bird matching, and now I play the game, and oh my gosh! See, look at how many birds are there. Let's put that two there, and let's put that green one at the last stick. And what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Put a green one there and put that one there. It's matching. It's getting matched. Now let's put that one there. Now let's get on the birds in front of the birds and move them to the little friends. And all of these birds are getting separated. Yes, let's get all of these birds. And guys, you can see in the bottom, you can see down, I have so many abilities. And let's think what we would do. Let's put these astronauts down, and we will. No, not that. I think we should use our abilities. Yes! Oh my God! It come back. All of these birds are getting separated. Need one more bird from the upper of there to come down, then that will break into two pieces. Yes, one broken. Now it's even harder for us. We have to get all of this. Yes, that one broke. That was gonna broke. Yes. Let's get all of these birds into their places. Get all of those there. They all breaking. Yes, we're getting a comeback. Everybody is getting separated.